Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enable persistent notifications for an app on iPhone running iOS version 14.4. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and also let me show you guys first that I have iOS version 14.4 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general, and then let me tap on this about, and you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.4 installed on this iPhone 10R. So let me go back, again. So in order to enable persistent notifications for an app on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app, and after that you have to tap on this notifications, and you can see I have this notifications, this screen opened, and on this screen you have to come to this section notification style, and in this section you have to find the app for which you want to enable persistent notifications for. So let me find mine. So I want to enable persistent notifications for this app, this app store. So after finding the app, you have to open the app. Okay, so just tap on your app to open it. So let me tap on this app store. And you can see guys, I have this screen opened, and make sure guys you have this allow notifications, this option enabled. So I have this option enabled, and after that you have to come to this alerts, this section, and in this section you have to select this banners. So let me tap on this to select it. You can see it's now selected, and you can see guys I have this banner style, this option over here. So currently it is set to temporary, so let's make this persistent. So for that you have to tap on this banner style, this option. Let me tap on this, and I have this banner style, this screen opened. You can see here we have two options, temporary and persistent. So currently I have this temporary, this option selected. You can see the check mark next to this temporary. So in order to select this persistent, you have to tap on this. Let me tap on this. You can see I have this persistent, this option selected. You can see the check mark next to this persistent. After that you can go back, and if I come to this banner style, you can see I have this persistent, this option selected. So it's now done guys. After that you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So that's it. In this way you can easily enable persistent notifications for an app on iPhone running iOS version 14.4. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.